Hi everyone, this is your maestra, Judy. I hope you guys are okay. Kumusta mo, tanan? Today we have a new verb lesson that is where. Okay, that is where. So if you are very new to my channel, don't forget to sign up, to subscribe, and also don't forget to visit me in Cebuano101.com. Before we dive into our lesson, I want you guys to listen to these audio files first, and then we are going to break it down.
Nagsul-ob ko og face mask kagahapon. Gisul-ob niya ang face mask. Nagsul-ob ko og blue nga t-shirt. Mosul-ob pa ko. Magsul-ob ko og blue t-shirt. Sul-ubon ra ni nimo kung naa siya. Pagsul-ob og blue nga t-shirt. Sul-uba na. Isul-ob unya to akong gihatag sa imuha ha. Ipasul-ob unya ni sa iya ha. Masul-ob ni siya.
There you go, guys. So we have past, present, and future form, future tense form. For past tense, we have Nisul-ob or Nagsul-ob or Nagasul-ob or Gasul-ob or Gisul-ob. Oh, this is the past tense form. Present, we have also Nagsul-ob or Nagasul-ob or Gasul-ob for short version. Okay. For future tense of wear is will wear. That is Mosul-ob or Magsul-ob. So mo or mag, actually in real situation, some would use mo, some will use mag. So don't be too stiff on this, guys, okay? So some words you really have to use mo, some words are mag, but most of the time mo or mag can be interchanged. For the future tense of will wear is sul-obon. Sul-obon. We have other variations. We have four. I can only think four. Okay. If you have another form of command, form of wear, let me know in the comments. Okay. So we have pagsul-ob or pagsulot, sul-uba, sul-uta, isul-ob or isulot. The last one we have ipa-sul-ob. And another variation which is wearable, ma-sul-ob. Ma-sul-ob. Past tense of wear is wore in English. In Bisaya, we have nisul-ob or nag or gasul-ob. Okay. So here's an example of that. I was wearing face mask yesterday. Nagsul-ob ko og face mask kagahapon. Was yesterday is kagahapon. Wearing is nagsul-ob. Ko is I. Og here is an objective particle. If you haven't watched my og versus og video, you might want to visit that. Next example, we have he or she wore the face mask. Gisul-ob niya ang face mask. He or she is niya. Wore is gisul-ob. Ang here is a subject marker. The nag can be used in past or present tense form. Watch out for those time cues. Okay, for example, when you're describing a person's clothing during that specific event. And we have other time cues. We have kagahapon means yesterday. Kaganiha is a moment ago or a while back. And then we have niaging adlaw is previous day. Okay, now let's go to the present tense form. Wearing in English. Nagsul-ob ko og blue nga t-shirt. I'm wearing blue t-shirt. Nagsul-ob is wearing. Ko here is I. And then we have the og, the objective particle. Okay, now let's go to future tense. Will wear. Now let's go to sample for mosul-ob. I still have to wear it. Mosul-ob pa ko. Mosul-ob pa ko. I still have to wear it. Still here is pa in Bisaya. And then mosul-ob is have to wear it. Next we have I will wear blue t-shirt. Magsul-ob ko og blue nga t-shirt. Or you can also say mosul-ob ko og blue nga t-shirt. Will wear is magsul-ob. Another future tense form of where is sul-ubon. Sul-ubon ra ni nimo kung naa siya. In English, you will only wear this when he or she is around. Ra here is just or only. Ni, this is referring to a specific item, okay? Nimo is you. Kung is if or when. In this case, the kung here is when. Naa means around, have, or existing. Siya is referring to a person, he or she. Will only wear this when he or she is around. Sulobon ra nimo kung naa siya. Now let's go to other variations. So other variations we have, I can only think of 4. If you have other terms, the other variations for sulob, please let me know in the comments. This is the command form for where. Pagsul-ob, suloba, ipasul-ob, or i-sul-ob. Okay? Example for pagsul-ob, wear a blue t-shirt. Pagsul-ob og blue nga t-shirt. Pagsul-ob is wear. Another one, suluba. Suluba na, wear that. The na here is a shortcut of kana. Okay, that, which means that. Wear that. Suluba na. Next, wear the thing that I gave you, okay? So this is sort of like asking nicely for the person to wear the thing that you gave her or him, okay? So this could be anything wearable, okay? Gisul-ob to akong gihatag sa imuha ha. So the ha here, it's making the sentence more polite and more gentle, okay, on the softer side. Isul-ob to akong gihatag sa imuha ha. Wear the thing that I gave you, okay? Next, pagsul-ob ni sa iyaha means let him or her wear this. Iyaha is him or her. So the last one, another variation is wearable. In Bisaya, that is masul-ob. Okay, masul-ob ni siya. Is this wearable? So masul-ob is wearable. Ni here is this. Siya is referring to the item. Okay, maybe it's a dress or an accessories. Masul-ob ni siya. Can this be, is this wearable? Okay.
Let's listen one more time to the sample phrases and sentences. Nagsul-ob ko og face mask kagahapon. Gisul-ob niya ang face mask. Nagsul-ob ko og blue nga t-shirt. Mosul-ob pa ko. Magsul-ob ko og blue t-shirt. Sul-ubon ra ni nimo kung naa siya t-shirt. Pagsul-ob og blue nga t-shirt. Ato akong sul-uba na. Isul-ob unya to akong gihatag sa imuha ha. Ya. Ipasul-ob unya ni sa iyaha. Masul-ob ni siya.
So before we go, I just want to give a shout out to this student who've been playing the matching game. So every Friday, I am sharing short videos. It's like less than 1 minute or a minute video. This is just short phrases, okay? How to say. It's a how to say series every Friday, and I am publishing it out. So watch out for these guys, okay? Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.